How to fix ChatGPT image generation not working. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT on your device. In Ask ChatGPT, simply click and then ask ChatGPT to create a simple image. Give a simple prompt and send it. If it does not create a simple image, what you can do is delete the tab of ChatGPT and then reopen the app. After you reopen the app, it will open a new chat. And if it still does not work, what you can do is click on the two lines at the top left corner of your screen. After you've clicked on two lines at the top left corner of your screen, here, simply click on your name and scroll down and click on About. After you click on About, click on Help Center at the top. After you click on Help Center, it will lead you to this page. Here, scroll down and you'll find a chat box icon. Click on it at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you can ask ChatGPT AI support to solve your issue. And this is how to fix ChatGPT image generation not working. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.